Got one, got one.
It's 548.
Dude.
Like...
Cast right now.
Huh? What is that, a white bass?
Yeah.
Stop getting me wet.
Sorry.
We got one. Take out this worm. Kyle, did you get one? Is it the same retarded one? Yeah, using the white bait, aren't you? Yes, they like that. Kyle, give me one. Take over there. Oh, see. I think it's that myself, actually. Pretty good.
Got it. Let me reel this
Here,
in.
Bob, reel this one in.
Reel it in.
Good one.
He's going like under his boat.
Small.
Oh, he's going.
See the other one?
He's going.
Can I lift him?
Get it.
Oh, the other way. Not
Do you guys know how many fish we can catch?
Right there. Oh, he bit it. Got him. They're all white bass. John. Dude, look at him. Dude, wait. They're biting it. Like, ooh. Dude, that's a huge one. Wait, John.
Yeah, you got two in a row? Yeah, a lot of fish here.
Come here, there's a lot of fish.
Twins. Keep reeling in.
Boss, stop the car. I got a huge fish.
Dude.
Boss, stop.
Oh! Doubled up.
Dude,
mine.
don't move your freaking
Dude, mine's
shit.
big too.
Oh, mine's.
Oh, dude, this is 16 for sure.
Ladies. Hey, let me reel my shit out. Well, I got a big one too, ladies. Hey, dude, mine.
Dude, mine could eat yours.
Ladies. Mine.
No, it's not. Mine's so.
Oh shoot.
Oh, you got one too. Reel in. Triple up.
Oh, triple. Oh, boy.
Dude, tell your dad to turn around.
Fuck. Oh, mine's bigger than both.
No.
Mine's bigger.
No.
How do you feel?
No, you're gonna break it.
You're gonna break your line. Careful.
Dude, bring it up.
Pop. Yeah, I beat you.
No.
How do you feel? How do you feel? This was mine. Triple up. Take a picture.
Dude. Triple up.
Oh my god. Haha, masterpiece. You put a new white thing? No. Yeah, you did.
I am.